Hey people! Today I will show you an easy to understand tutorial on how to use bold and other types of text formats on YouTube. It's really simple. If you want to strike two comments like this, all you got to do is like an example, like the video. Just add a dash at the start and the end of the text, like the video, but it has a dash and a dash at the end, and it would look like this together. This is the basic. This is formatted. See? Struck through. Now let's move on to the bold. Bold text is more of the same. Easy to understand. Add an asterisk at the end and the start of the sentence or word if you want to to format one word. Here I will show you. Easy to understand, and this is formatted. Boom, easy to understand, bold. It's very easy to understand. Now let's move on. Italics. Example, we use subscribe to me, add underscore at the start and the end of the text. Subscribe to ExDeity, to me. Let's see. Yes. Formatted to italics. It's very easy, very simple. You can even combine it if you want. Look, subscribe to ExDeity, and I put asterisk at beginning and the end, and look, bold italic. You can, guys, you can try this in my comments. Try it, experiment, see what can you do. I would really appreciate a comment and a like. Bye guys!